Hello everyone, Tom Garino here. I'm going to illustrate the use of an app called showme, which was brought up in the math department meeting by Anne-Marie. Well, basically, it's like an app for an iPad, and you can use it basically like a whiteboard recording. I'm using it on an iPad. It says it can be used on an Android phone. I haven't been able to get that to work through the Play Store. I don't think they have that working yet. I don't think phones would be too good, kind of small screen to write on. It does say that you can use it on a Chromebook. I tried using it on a PC. It says not compatible with the Chrome browser. So I think it's pretty much iPad or Chromebook. And since you kind of want to write with your finger, you pretty much need a touchpad Chromebook. So I think really, for the most part, this app been developed for use with a iPad. So you click Create New Showme, hit Record, and I'll do a simple math problem. 3x minus 2 equals 13. Add 2 to both sides. 3x equals 15. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 5. You can just leave it like that. Maybe that's good enough. You showed the students on the whiteboard and you could be done with it. But if you've hit the record button, you have a recording of this that you can post. If you wanted to go through a few of these, you can just hit the next button, I guess, and go through another one. I'm not going to do another math one. How about just hello? Click another one. Say something else. And then when you're all done, just click the done button. Going to save and upload. So obviously you need an account. They're free. And I'll do a simple math problem. Here's a preview. X minus 2 equals 13. So I'm going to save it. Give it a name. Test 7. It's math. It's high school math. You can put in as many categories as you want. And you click done. And then when you play it, off the iPad, a simple math problem, 3x minus 2 equals 13. It goes from one slide to the next automatically.
3x equals 15. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 5.
You can just leave it like that. Maybe that's good enough. You showed the students on the whiteboard and you could be done with it. But if you hit the record button, you have a recording of this that you can post. If you wanted to go through a few of these, you can just hit the next button, I guess, and go through another one. I'm not going to do another math one. How about just hello? And so there you have it. It goes from one slide to the next, playing what you did. You know, it's a whiteboard recording. So you can do whatever you want. Show them the iPad or record it and post it in Google Classroom because they give you a link. Okay, so here I am now at my computer and making a video of my account signed in on my PC. So here's that video I just made on the iPad. When you upload it, same account, PC, there it is. So I click on that video. I can play it here for whatever purpose. Looks like it does on the iPad, obviously, but here's my share button. I can click that, click on this link, copy it. I like to do Control-C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to open off Microsoft Edge. The reason why I go to Microsoft Edge, not because it's better, worse, or anything, but I'm signed in with a Google account in Chrome and a different Google account in Firefox. So I want to make sure this works for people who aren't signed in with any account. So I went to Edge because I'm not signed in with any Google account here. And so this is just anybody on the internet with this link will play. And I'll do a simple math problem. 3x. So obviously if you put that link in the classroom, after you do something with like a Google Meet and you show the students on your iPad how to do something, if you make a recording of it and put it in the classroom, if they forget what you showed them, they could go back to it, refer to it, and watch it at their leisure. So thank you, Anne-Marie, and there's your distance learning tip of the day. See you later. Bye.